Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Redmi here. So today is my time to do an unboxing of faulty Lenovo A1000. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So here's the packaging. Very nice. Now let's open it. Oh, a Redmi 5 Plus box. So here's the phone box. Very nice box. Similar like Redmi 6A box. Now let's open it. Wow. So here's the phone. Quite heavy. Later on I'm going to clean this screen. So my friend told me the issue on this phone was the only display white screen. Other than that, it works fine. The battery also include very small size 4-inch display. Let's see what else. A book. Nothing else. Redmi 5 Plus, very nice. And also I really like the Redmi 5 Plus phone. So I can keep the box. This is the phone. Let's take a look. Wow. Let's see the battery. Wow. Still good battery. Let's try turning on. No battery. So now I'm going to try to charge this phone. So here it is. It's just white screen like this. So definitely it's a display problem. Lenovo, a 2 cloth, and this sanitizer spray. Let's do it. Alright, so as you can see, the outside part is already being clean, while the inside of the screen between the display and the glass is got very dirty, as you can see, but never mind. So the back side, wow, really clean like new, very clean. Also the front glass already smooth when touching or sliding. Very nice. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback from this unboxing Lenovo A1000 faulty unit. Comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.